Hi friends, I am Amaralingachari, TGT Mathematics of JNV Nalgonda. In this video, I am going to give a demo of the program prepared by me for moderation of marks of class 10th, which are to be uploaded to CBSE server. Let me start the program. Here is the file program for so and so class 10th marks. I hope Excel workbook was opened. The program was prepared in Excel only. It's not a software, just this is a program. See here is the index page. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Nalgonda. Anyone can rename this one with their school. This is the program for preparing marks of class 10th out of 80 to be uploaded to CBSE, prepared by myself. And here is the simple description. Sheet names are so and so, and the descriptions are like this. Just you can have a glance. I thank our principal sir Sri K.V. Nagaraj Kumar Garu and our cluster AC Radhakrishnan sir, my ex-principal Dravidimani sir, Gopalakrishna sir and Anasuya madam for supporting me. Then the next sheet is the most important sheet, historical performance. Historical performance. Friends, see the first table, serial number, subject, mean marks of 2018, 19 and 20. In these three columns, I just kept the mean marks of these subjects. Then these things are not provided. This one in column F and G, it is not provided by CBSE. Up to here, this data is provided by CBSE only. Just from CBSE server, I brought these numbers here. Then in column number F, I included target mean marks. Is the most important concept. Target mean marks. This target is to be fixed by us, and this is for reference only, difference column. I will explain in brief. Then here, year-wise average of total marks of mean subjects. This also given by CBSE only. In 2018, our school subject average, school average is 60.3, 19 it is 58.31, 2020 it is 63.35. So 2020 will be the historical year, or reference year for our school. Okay, then friends, plan in such a way that the reference year marks will be in the third column, here. Suppose if your reference year is 2019, please place 2019 in this column E, 20 here, so that reference year and target mean year should be just one onto the right side, so that easily we can understand difference. Okay, anyhow, 2020 will be my reference year, and hence the marks or the mean for different subjects are as shown here. Right, now I am fixing the target mean marks for this particular year. All of we are well aware that it can be plus or minus 2 when compared to the reference year. Then only CBSE will accept the result to the server. So here it is 53.5. What I did, I make it as 54, and hence the difference is showing here as 0.5. Acceptable, very well. Subject average is increased by 0.5, whereas for English it is 66.5. I made it as 65.5. The subject average is decreased by 1. Okay, anyhow, plus or minus 2, acceptable. Similarly, social studies 68.44, it is made as 66.45, much difference, minus 1.9 and around minus 2. Okay, plus or minus 2, condition satisfied. Hindi, no need. Mathematics basic. Last year we have mathematics basic, but this year we don't have mathematics basics, so I can leave this cell empty. Then mathematics standard 66.4. So this year we have only mathematics standard. I can have this one as 65 minus 1.4. Then Telugu it is assumed by considering into the last year's marks, it is 65, around 65.5. I made it as the same thing 0. Actually, mathematicians can understand that the sum of these things should be something around 0. Why? Because if I increase +1 in one subject, then ultimately I should decrease 1 in another subject, so that the total school average must be equal to reference year's school average. But here see the thing, in the reference year 1 2 3 4 5 6 values are there, including mathematics basic. That is why they might given 63.35 as school's average. Suppose let me select all these 6 entries, and here average comes around 63.03, something like that. But I should type this one 63.35 manually. Please remember, manually I should type, because 2020 the number is given as 63.35. so this 63.35 I typed here. Now you see, suppose now the targets are fixed. Now let me select the targets up to here. I selected 1 2 3 4 5. Average is coming to be 63.25. you can check my cursor, 63.25, whereas the formula also is telling the average is 63.25. so if I can manage the target mean marks for different subjects as these things, then the total school average also will be coming around 63.25. it is just around 63.3, whereas I should not cross 63.35, which is the last year's reference marks. Now the point, the question will arise. Many persons are having some doubt why this difference is not coming to up to 0. First of all, let me remove this one. I am deleting, later I can incorporate. And now I am deleting this one also. This one also I deleted because mathematics basic is not there. Now you see 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 subjects together 64.068 is the average. See the cursor, you can check just at the bottom, 64.048. so if the same things are repeated, the subject average will come around 64.068. so that 64.068 must be decreased to 63.35. that is why again I should decrease the target mean marks. Right, just let me undo the things. Friends, up to here, just once again the important point I would like to highlight. See, in the green cell, you please fill the reference year's school average 63.35 manually, and here if you have mathematics basic you can fill it, but make sure that all these subject averages together if you consider, then the school average must be less than that of reference year average. Also make sure that the difference of reference year and present year subject average must be plus or minus 2. This is the key point here. Now let me move to the next table. These all are given by CBSE only. Ranges, different ranges, less than 26, 26 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 87. So these are the percentages. Please understand. I mean, there are 11.54% members lying between 26 to 40 marks in science subject. These numbers I brought from CBSE server and I kept here. Then CBSE class 10th Telugu ranges. Yes, from this table automatically here the entries will come as per the tabulation. Okay, less than 26, how what is the percent, just understand. And 40 to 50, 14.1% students are there. 50 to 60, 46.15% students are there. Like that, total percentage comes up to 100. Very good. Then number of candidates appeared for this year exam in our school, it is only 80, so on so for their ideal thing, there must be 14.1 percentage of 80. When rounded off, it comes up to 11. Round off values only I shown here. Rounded off, it comes up to 11. Like that, there should be 11 members in this range, 37 members in this range, 21 members in this range, and 11 members must be in the range 70 to 80. So total it comes up to 80. Then the subject here the target also 65.50. what we fixed the target, it will be reflecting here also, right? See, I should not say it must be 11. CBSE did not ask us to keep the number of students in this particular percentage only. Suppose here for science there are 5.13 persons who secured less than 26 marks in the last year. It's not mean that this year also there must be 5.13% children secured less than 26 marks. No, it can be 0 also. This also can be 0 also. Their performance might have increased. This is a technical issue and logical thinking, but only condition what CBSE is telling us is the subject average is, it must be plus or minus 2 when compared to that reference year's subject average. Also the total school average must be less than the reference year's average. These things only should be tallied. But why these are useful? Where these are useful means, if we can plan in such a way that there are 11 children in this particular range 40 to 50 and 37 children in the range 50 to 60, 21 children in the range 60 to 70, 11 children in the range 70 to 80, then it will be easy for us to get the target, I mean to get the subject average as 65.50, or it will be plus or minus 2 about this one. Our target is we need to reach the subject average for 65.50, that we will be moderating later. So here the key thing is once again the same thing, we need to fix the target mean marks for this year, satisfying the CBSE conditions. Okay, then these are automatically generated. Only you need to fill blue color cell 80, remaining all same thing: English, mathematics, science, social. These are the things. Okay, here also the cells in the color you must fill manually. Here also cells in the color you must fill manually. Then next, going to Telugu, English, mathematics. I will take mathematics only. Being a mathematics teacher, I tried to complete almost the work. See here, cells in color only is to be filled. The remaining cells automatically they will be generated. Okay, now I will not take much time. Calculation of 80 marks, all of we know. PWT 10 weightage, half yearly or midterm 30, pre-board 40 marks. Whereas here in this cell, PWT 1 marks out of 50 to be entered, PWT 2 marks out of 50 to be entered here. If you have conducted for 60, you make this cell to be 60, whatever you understand. Then this is PWT 3, this is pre-board 1, this is pre-board 2, this is pre-board 3. Now these marks if you enter, calculation part will be looked after by the program. this 49 will be converted into 100, then 10% weightage will be taken as 9.8. Similarly, out of PWT 2 and PWT 3, average will be taken for these two things, and that average will be converted into 100 and 30% weightage will be calculated for PWT, for midterm or half yearly. Then we conducted pre-board 1, pre-board 2, pre-board 3. Average of best 2, average of best 2 will be taken and it will be converted into 100. Then 40 weightage will be calculated, 10, 30, 40. Total together 80 will be calculated. So in this case, dummy entries are there. Once again I am repeating, please, there should not be any technical issue for me. These are the dummy entries, not the CBSE result. 76.6, 78.2, so and so, so and so, so and so, so and so. These are the marks, and there are 80 members. So total it is coming up to 75.46 out of 80, and the subject average, this is the mean marks, 75.46 before moderation. This table here, this table will let you know the things. Okay, I explained up to here, up to 80, these are the marks, and internal assessment already we uploaded to CBSE. These also can be manually filled. Then this is the total marks out of 100 which we are going to get it from CBSE. This is not final, this is only sample. These marks are only guess marks, assessed marks. And here is the column named Q, final marks to be uploaded to CBSE out of 80. These marks are to be moderated by the subject teacher along with the subject committee members. Committee members of the examination department or whatever, result committee members. Then this will be the total of final 80 plus 20. This will be the total. Okay, now see this table, CBSE class 10th maths result only for 80. Let me explain this sheet. Percentage of candidates less than 26 to 40, so and so. 2019-20, reference years percentages are coming from historical performance sheet. These are these have come from there. Total percentage coming up to 100, and this is total number of students for this particular year. As per the calculation, required number of candidates for the year 2021 in this range should be 0. In this range is preferred as 4. I should not say should, I should say it is preferred as 4, it is preferred as 9, it is preferred as 10, it is preferred as 20, and 70 to 80 there should be the number of preferred candidates must be 38. This is preference only, and my target is I should make the subject average as 65. Now after moderation, keeping the performance of the children in different aspects, I made all sorts of moderations, and finally this also will be calculated formula as per the formula. It is showing as 0 in this range, 2 in this range. See, last year there are 4 students in the range 26 to 40, but this year I have only 2 students in the range. Whereas last year there are 9 students in the range 40 to 50, but this year I have 14 students in the range 40 to 50. Last year I have 10 students in this range, but this year I have 12 students. See, no. So I am sorry. This is preferred, and this is actually what I got. This is not last year. This is preferable. This is final what I made. Okay, but if you have gone through these things, see, 39 of 80 will come around this much percentage only, almost, and total target mean marks of the moderated marks is 65.01 only. I hope you people understand. Right, now see here, 40 to 50 there are 14 members. If you want if you change any one person who got 50 marks to 51, here one number will increase and here one number will decrease. That just I will show with the demo, but the time is not suitable. Okay, no problem. Anyhow, you can feel it practically. You can change the marks so that these ranges also will be changed. Okay, target I reached 65.01. If it is more, if the target is more, you just decrease some marks accordingly by looking into the ranges. Now see this cell, what it is saying, subject average is decreased by -1.39 when compared to the reference year's range. My subject average, I reduced it. And see, subject average before moderation is 75.46 out of 80, but after moderation it is 65.01. as it satisfies the CBSE criteria. It says that CBSE criteria is satisfied, the subject average is +2 or -2 of the reference year's subject average. In this way we need to moderate the marks for each and every subject. Telugu something like this, but I did not look into the ranges as I am not subject teacher. Just dummy values I entered and I made to reach the target. Target is 65.50, here 65.53. Subject average is increased by 0.03 only. CBSE criteria satisfied for Telugu, and for English it is satisfied, and for mathematics it is satisfied, and for science it is satisfied, and for social it is satisfied. Suppose just I will change this one. If it is decreased, target is this one 66.45, let me change it as 66. So protected, yeah, here the thing, if you want to change anything, just go to format, unprotect the sheet. I did not protect it with password. Please make it clear, don't disturb the formulas. See, format, unprotect sheet, then you can change. Just I am manually changing this as 66, and now the subject average is decreased by -2.44. it is not preferable by CBSE, hence it turned into red color. CBSE criteria is not satisfied. The subject average deviates more than +2 or -2 of reference year's subject average. So here itself the subject teacher can understand whether his marks can be uploaded to CBSE or not. The same thing can be checked by CBSE checker, which will be issued for us later by CBSE. Before that we can have some idea with the help of this software. Only just let me undo the thing. Undo, yes. Science, okay. Social we discussed, and we undo the thing. Yes, criteria is satisfied. Now the next sheet is consolidated marks out of 80. Here is the sheet, consolidated marks out of 80. Just to have a look at the headings, you can understand Telugu, English, mathematics, science, social out of 80 marks. The consolidated sheet automatically will generated, and here the last this table is not useful for us, even though just to have an idea I made it. Subject 2020 2021 difference. 2020 in the sense for me it is the historical year. 66 65.5 66.5 so and so 1 2 3 4 5 subject averages. If I consider only these 5 subject averages, except mathematics basic, it is coming around 64.07. 2021 it is coming around 63.243. see, 64.07 and -0.83 coming up to 63.24 only. Yes. Now statistical data, just to have a look at the statistical data is very much self-explanatory. This is for the first table is for Telugu, English, mathematics, science, social. Altogether you can take the print in a single sheet. Ranges of marks 1920, I mean historical years percentage, number of candidates in different ranges during this year, and subject average of historical year, and this is the subject average of present year. Subject average is increased by 0.3. before moderation it is 74.25, after moderation it is 65.53. then CBSE criteria is satisfied. Like that for English CBSE criteria is satisfied. For mathematics, CBSE criteria is satisfied, and for other subjects also CBSE criteria is satisfied. Now in this small table, school average out of 80 marks, reference year is 2020, manually feed it, and average for that year is 63.35 given by CBSE, manually you feed it. Then current year 2021, the mean school average is coming up to 63.24. I can increase further 0.05 something like that, 5 or 9 something like that, 63.24, and hence CBSE criteria is satisfied. School average during 2020-21 is less than that of the historical reference year average, and hence finally you can finalize the data and you can upload into the CBSE server. After downloading the sheets given by the CBSE, you can fill those sheets and you can upload into the CBSE server. Whereas here is the consolidated marks for 20 plus 80 20 plus 80. Actually I should not keep this thing. This is just to have an idea of present this year's performance out of 100, and this is tentative result. If CBSE finalize the marks what we upload out of 80 and out of 20, then this will be the tentative result. This is my last year's result, and this is expected result for 2021 in these ranges below 33 to 59%, 60 to 74% overall result, 75 to 89%, 90 to 94%, 95 and above, total up to 100. This is coming up to 82.65, whereas this year it is coming up to 82.47. I hope this program will help you people. Before concluding the thing, 1 minute, in some schools they need to go for basic mathematics basic also. Here I did not provide a sheet for that one. What you can do, you can click on mathematics, take a right click, move or copy, create a copy. Just before mathematics or after mathematics you can select the sheet maths, click on OK. A copy will be created. See, maths 2, maths 1. You can rename this maths 2, and only basic mathematics students name can be entered, and there already you might have fixed their subject average also, and you can plan in such a way that their subject average is also tallied. So in this way you can do it. I hope this program will help you a lot in finalizing and in moderating the marks. Once again, I thank you all for patiently watching this 30-minute video, and I specially again would like to thank our principal sir Sri K.V. Nagaraj Kumar garu, our cluster in charge Radhakrishnan sir, my ex-principal Dravidmani sir, Gopala Krishna sir. Always he used to support me in such a things, and our deputy commissioner madam Anasuya madam also I would like to thank madam. Always she used to encourage with all positive words whenever I sent a message to madam. Thank you one and all.